Welcome to All Around the World Part 2. For this episode, we have chosen Chennai City and will show you unique places. Enjoy!
The story of the Demonte Colony in Chennai begins with a wealthy Portuguese prince who founded the first settlement here. John Demonte lived with his wife, Mary, and owned several acres of land in what are now some of the poshest spots in the city, including Mowbray's Garden, Greenways Road and the Madras Club. According to corroborated accounts, at some point during their stay here, Demonte's wife had a mental illness. Additionally, his son, who was brought up in Europe, apparently died at 22 on the eve of leaving for India to join his father. These two misfortunes left Demonte a grieving old man longing for home. A little more than a decade ago, the rumors of ghosts in the neighborhood led to a mass exodus of residents, and the area is now abandoned and in ruins. The horror film Demonte Colony, 2015, furthered the ghostly legends and lured in more curious visitors. Whatever Demonte Colony's future, the sad and haunted past has resulted in one of the most enduring legends in Chennai.
Royal Enfield is an Indian multinational motorcycle manufacturing company headquartered in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. The Royal Enfield brand, including its original English heritage, is the oldest global motorcycle brand in continuous production. The company operates manufacturing plants in Chennai in India. The first Royal Enfield motorcycle was built in 1901 by the Enfield Cycle Company of Redditch, Worcestershire, England, which was responsible for the design and original production of the Royal Enfield Bullet, the longest-lived motorcycle design in history. One of the few motorcycle brands that still produces handmade bikes, the Royal Enfield Factory Tour is a must-see for bike enthusiasts. Little Mount is a small hillock that lies on the bank of River Adair in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. It is traditionally acknowledged to be one of the places where Saint Thomas, an apostle of Jesus, lived and preached when he came to India. In 1551 AD, Portuguese built a church over the site where Saint Thomas is believed to have lived in. Later, in the year 1970, a part of this old church was demolished and a larger circular church was built to accommodate more devotees. One of the must-see place in Chennai. Check it out.